In this video, we talk briefly about brain foods, specifically those that boost general memory and concentration levels. We further discuss the essential nutrients to promote brain health and how these can be incorporated into your diet. You can also skip ahead to the chapters that you are most interested in using the links in the description. This is a health informational video presented by Yazhi Healthcare. Please use headphones for the best listening experience. Please note that the information in this video is only intended to be a guide and is not a substitute for actual advice provided by qualified medical professionals. Before we dive in, here is a very quick story. Imagine yourself as a successful professional who works a lucrative desk job. While the pay is impressive, you do find yourself occasionally lacking motivation, losing concentration during meetings, and even forgetting basics such as where you kept your work suit or keys. Similarly, if you are a mother with a teenage child who is preparing for exams and has a short attention span, then this video is for you. Unfortunately, both the scenarios we mentioned are a reality for millions of people. While they have the money, there is a lack of time, and usually, sleep and nutrition are ignored. The brain too is a muscle and needs to be nourished accordingly. While a variety of nutrients play a role in brain health, the 5 essential nutrients are omega-3 acids, B vitamins, lutein, vitamin E, and zinc. First, omega-3 acids. To promote and enhance your intellectual performance, omega-3s are needed in your diet. Consuming omega-3s helps with general thinking and thought processing, but also assists with remembering and learning. However, surveys have found that 70% of the world's population is deficient in omega-3 fatty acids. The major reason for this is the conversion efficiency of omega-3 fatty acids to their bioactive form, EPA and DHA, is very low in the human body. Thus, plant-based omega-3 fatty acids are often not sufficient to fulfill the body's requirement, and people have to resort to fish and algae-based omega-3 fatty acids that directly have the bioactive forms, EPA and DHA, of omega-3 fatty acids. It is typically recommended that you take 250 to 500 milligrams of EPA and DHA combined, but you shouldn't exceed more than 5 grams of EPA and DHA on any given day. Seafoods such as salmon and mackerel are the most common sources of omega-3 in your diet. Mackerel has 4,580 milligrams of DHA and EPA, while salmon has 2,150 milligrams of DHA and EPA. When it comes to supplements, it is best to stick to fish oil or algal oil rather than flax and chia seed-based supplements, since the latter has poor conversion into the bioactive forms of omega-3 fatty acids. Number 2. Vitamin B12. Mood and mental performance are heavily influenced by your intake of B vitamins, particularly B12. This is another nutrient noted to lower the odds of developing dementia because it assists memory ability. Vitamin B12 also helps to reduce anxiety, depression, stress, migraines, PMS symptoms, and the risk of heart disease. Plus, it boosts your energy levels. 1.5% to 15% of the population has vitamin B12 deficiency, and the possibility of deficiency is likely to increase with age. The recommended daily intake, RDI, for vitamin B12 for people over 14 is 2.4 micrograms mcg. However, you may want to take more or less, depending on your age, lifestyle, and specific situation. The safe limit is somewhere between 6 to 8 milligrams. Foods are rich in vitamin B, and the portion sizes are as follows. mcg is micrograms. Cooked salmon 2.4 micrograms, low-fat milk 1 cup 1.2 micrograms, fortified cereal 1 serving 1.5 micrograms, Swiss cheese 1 block 0.9 micrograms. Supplementation is only advisable if you do not consume any animal or dairy products in your usual diet and if you are on a strict vegetarian or vegan diet. Number 3. Lutein. While the name lutein may be unfamiliar to you, this nutrient is likely hard at work in your body right now. Lutein is stored in several areas of the body including the eye, blood serum, skin, cervix, breasts, and brain. This nutrient is classified as a carotenoid, a term for various colored pigments found in fruits and vegetables. Some of the natural food sources of lutein include Mg is micrograms, dark leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, collards, and broccoli. 1 cup has 10 to 16 milligrams of lutein. Corn. 1 cup of corn has 3.6 milligrams, while a 6-inch corn tortilla contains 4 milligrams. Peas. 2.6 micrograms of lutein in a 100 g serving of peas. Mango. 48 micrograms of lutein in an average-sized mango. Lutein can improve visual processing speed in young healthy people and has also been found to significantly improve cognitive function in young adults and seniors. The science community is optimistic about emerging research connecting lutein to brain health. Multiple elementary studies have linked a lutein-rich brain to a variety of cognitive functions including verbal fluency, executive function, memory, and recall. There's no set intake requirement for lutein, but its health benefits are associated with consuming about 6 milligrams a day. The average person gets about 1.9 milligrams daily from their diet alone. The safe limit is around 20 milligrams daily. Vitamin E is an important antioxidant that can prevent or decelerate cognitive decline and boost memory as the brain ages. Additionally, vitamin E is necessary for healthy eyes and skin because it protects the cells from damage. Although vitamin E deficiencies are considered rare, those who do have this deficiency often are more likely to suffer from other diseases and may have digestive problems as well. Approximately 1 out of every 300,000 persons has a vitamin E deficiency. Vitamin E dosage is around 15 milligrams daily, with a tolerable upper limit of 800 milligrams per day. Most once-daily multivitamin mineral supplements provide about 13.5 milligrams of vitamin E, whereas vitamin E-only supplements commonly contain 67 milligrams or more. The doses in most vitamin E-only supplements are much higher than the recommended amounts. It is recommended to take it only upon medical advice. Nuts, seeds, avocado, and tofu are excellent sources of vitamin E as well as green, leafy vegetables. Almonds have 25 milligrams of vitamin E per every 100 grams. A 100 g serving of sunflower seeds has 35 milligrams of vitamin E. Avocado and spinach both contain 2 milligrams of vitamin E. Number 5. Zinc. The consumption of zinc is vital for enhancing memory and thinking ability. Plus, zinc also plays a large role in strengthening the immune system and cell growth. Zinc has also been linked to improving fertility and vision. Approximately 30% of the global population has some form of zinc deficiency. The recommended daily intake of zinc is between 9 to 12 milligrams, with an upper safe limit of 40 milligrams per day. Zinc deficiencies may require supplementation, however, too much zinc can weaken the immune system and cause fatigue. Of course, finding the right balance is always key for any food or nutrient you eat. A handful of pumpkin seeds counts as a daily dose of zinc, but it can also be found in dark chocolate, almonds, lamb, and seafood. Pumpkin seeds have 7.5 milligrams of zinc, lamb has 10 milligrams, oysters and crab have 20 and 2 milligrams respectively, while almonds have 3.5 milligrams of zinc. All for a 100 g serving. The key takeaway from the video would be a reiteration that it is often forgotten that the brain is a muscle as well and needs the correct amount of nourishment to flourish and serve us well as we navigate our working and personal lives. Stick to the foods that work best for you, for dietary choices are diverse and what is beneficial for one may not be so for another. For supplements, it is always best to take them on the advice of a doctor and stick to natural food sources otherwise. Thank you for watching till the end. If you have any questions, do let us know in the comments. If you have any other foods that have helped you with regard to your memory and cognition, you can also mention that. For similar videos, do like, share, and subscribe to Yazzie Health. Until next time, get that brain of yours firing to its full potential.